And for those of you that may be just a little bit fearful or apprehensive about washing your Microlocs, go back and check out my very first video when I washed my Microlocs. Baby, I was nervous, okay? But look at my locks today. Baby, can't tell me nothing. So you're gonna be all right. Let's get it. Alright y'all, so we have made it home. I'm going to show you how I wash my Microlocs. If this is your first time washing your Microlocs on your Microloc journey, spray and band your Microlocs. I don't know the method that you've chosen to do your Microlocs. However, if they're new and they're in the beginning stages of starter locks, then you want to baby them a little bit. You want to nurture them. You want to make sure that they're going to stay as they are in those beginning phases, which is what I did. I braided and banded my Microlocs for the entire year before I just let them go and I began to wash them. The purpose of washing your Microloc is to make sure that you get all the residual off of your scalp. You want a clean scalp. As my sister always says, healthy scalp, healthy hair. End of story. Now, what you use to wash your hair with, I started off using Shea Moisture, I want to say it was, and it was a water-based shampoo. You can start off using whatever you like. Today I'm using TGIN. It is more of a moisture-based shampoo because I feel like on my lock journey, my hair began to need more moisture. If you go back and you look at some previous videos, then you understand why I transitioned to what I have transitioned to. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys. Let's get to it. So I know you guys probably can't tell really that well on camera, but every time I scratch my scalp, there is so much growing dandruff that is falling down on my shirt. Like, look at this. Yeah. So, here we go. Alright y'all, so my camera getting ready to die, so I gotta go, and I'll see y'all once it's time to condition it. Alright y'all, so I finished washing my hair, but I cannot find my blow dryer. Apparently somebody in this house has taken all of the things. So we are going to take our Design Essentials, which is instant moisturizing. Okay, I love this stuff. It's for dry, brittle hair. I've been using anything with moisturizer in it because I have low porosity hair. I knew this before I got Microlocs, so it is good for you to know your hair before before you get Microlocs. I'm gonna slap this on, and then I'm gonna put on a cap, and then since I can't find my sit under hair dryer, I'm just gonna let it sit on longer than what I normally would. Okay, depending on the age group of my viewers, y'all ever had a hot oil treatment, or have you ever done a hot oil treatment on your regular hair before you got Microlocs? That is essentially what I do when I moisturize my locks. So I'll come back when I got my plastic cap on. Y'all, I remember when I really was like, wait till I get a ponytail, and look, your girl has a ponytail. All of my moisturizer is on my hair. I wanted y'all to get a good close-up, and this battery, like, it is failing me too. So we're gonna put our plastic cap on and we're gonna rock with it, baby. I decided to do a face mask. This is the Neutrogena face mask. Child, it is messy. It is messy and it keeps sliding. Oh, the last time I used it, it was very hydrating. The best thing about all of this is once you do clean your scalp and then you condition your hair and you get ready to moisturize everything, you gotta remember, like, at the end of this, there's one very special step that you must do in order to lock in everything, okay? And then it makes it last pretty much all week. At the end of the week, your hair still feels the same, like very fluffy, moisturized, and just hydrated. It's just chef's kiss. And I'm gonna tell you that as soon as I take this bag off my head. So lay around for it, okay? I can't really talk with all this on my face. So what I think I failed to tell you is how long you need to condition your hair for. Excuse me while my mask slips off my face. If I was up under my, I keep wanting to say hot air balloon, but it's not a hot air balloon, Leandra. That's not what it is. If you were up under your hairdryer, if you've never done this before, you probably like, well, how long is she keeping that bag on her head, right? If I was up under my hairdryer, I would keep my bag on for 10 to 15 minutes because that's all I need, because I do this pretty much every Sunday. Me and my son, I do his hair. If you're new to this and this is your first time, then I'm gonna tell you to go for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, that's it. Extra 15 minutes just to lock it in and seal it in. That's all you need. And then once we pull this bag off our head, I'm going to give you all the good deets on everything you need to put into your hair afterwards so that it can last and be very fluffy for, you know, the full week before you get ready to redo this on next Sunday. Sound like a deal? I hope so. I'll see you when we pull this bag up off our head. Child. All right, so I let my conditioner stay in a little bit longer because, like I told y'all, on Sunday I do my son's hair, so I had to let it sit in just a little bit longer, but it's okay. I'm cool with that. So we've been in for 30 minutes or so, and this is what we are looking like. There is no residual on the ends, and then let me show you the scalp because the scalp is what matters. Now, if y'all see some stuff, it was my fault. No, I'm just there we go. Clean scalp, honey. This is what we want, and my hair feels absolutely amazing. This is what you guys stayed around for because you want to see what was popping. All right, beautiful. So now we're getting ready to moisturize everything, okay? So we can lock in all of what we have done for the remainder of the week, and we don't have to do this again until next Sunday because this is just what we do to take care of our hair. So this is my spray bottle. I typically use it all week long. The reason I have some more left in here is because I had the 2-strand twist in all week, so I was not able to spray my hair down. What is in there, you may ask? Glad you asked that question. Olive oil, regular kitchen olive oil. Yes. Then I have my Jamaican black castor oil, aloe vera, okay, plain warm water, and then I also have my rosemary oil. I don't have to put everything in individually. I just take my spray bottle, I spray my hair down, everything is in, so that way it is distributed evenly, and that's the key, so that I don't overdo it. I don't over oil my hair, I don't over water my hair, I don't over moisturize my hair, in a sense, right? The difference maker in this is, on a previous video you probably saw me use my TGIN leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna try my new conditioner. It smells amazing. If you have not smelled it, smell it. It's rich and sweet. Of course, I'm gonna be using Donna's recipe, which if I can have something that is 100% vegan, also made with 100% sweet potatoes and vanilla extract and sprinkled with, you know, all this warm cinnamon and make my hair smell like this, all this amazing goodness along with what I normally use, hey, we're gonna shoot for it this week and see what happens, okay? But last but not least, we're not gonna leave out Lion Locs. Those are all the products that I use to moisturize my hair. Let's get to moisturizing hair, okay? This is what I will also do in the mornings when I put it on. I'll spray it on. I'm sorry. Y'all really like with me, okay? Like, this is hands down, like, ooh. Oh, it smells like sugar cookies. Oh, it's amazing. Smells so good. Oh. Ooh, be careful, Leandra. Don't pull you out. Trying to put it in. I try not to be heavy-handed with stuff. Your girl is, and I'm using it just like this, and then on the ends. Oh my God. I was gonna go ahead and put the Lion Locs in, but Lion Locs has a smell to it too, a good smell, and I don't want to combat one smell over the other smell, so I am gonna leave that out. My secret still. I wasn't gonna do this, but I am gonna do it. Argan oil. I like to use this on my scalp to make sure that my scalp is oiled as well. Y'all see me do a lot of moisturizing to my actual tresses, which is my, you know, my hair, but I want to make sure that my scalp is good too. So I will not bore you with this because it does take me a while to do this. I take a little on my hand and I just run it on my scalp like that so that I get some oil on my scalp. Just to give you a preview, that is the last step of how we wash, condition, and moisturize our hair for the entire work week, okay? If this video has been helpful for you, y'all let me know down in the comments. I know some people have just started their lock journey and this may be a little bit overwhelming. That's okay. You don't have to do every single step that's in this video. Take out what you need and leave the rest, you know, in the video. And it's all good. I mean, it's all good because it's here for your embitterment. That smells so amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. My hair feels so good, so light, so fluffy.